In this video, we're going to show you the sales data sheets or interactive reports. In the interactive report section, you will see all the data dumped in a displayable table that has columns and rows for you to filter. At the top, once again, you can sort by dates or leave blank and filter by product types, product line, customer type, or region. You also have the ability to filter here as well on a certain column. You also have the ability to remove columns and add columns. So simply clicking on a column header and hitting the X will remove a column, or you can simply sort by just picking the Northeast or changing that to grouping by the region, as well as sorting by customer or grouping by product type and product line. It's very easy, as you can see, to slice and dice the data. It's also very easy to sum up and get totals for a product sold, extended amount. Just give you a quick example here of different totals based on salesperson selling in the central. You can see that Bill sold 203 products for $50,000. Now, all these reports that you create can be saved either for you to view only as a private report or as a public report. You can see from the drop-down list there's private reports and public reports. The difference being a public report can be seen by other users who have access to the sales dashboard, and the private report can be seen by you. Now I'm going to show you an example of a pivot table by region. Once again, you can create these pivot tables and then save them for later. You can also, once in a pivot table, still filter down and show more detail. Right here, I just want to see sales by Paul. So I type Paul's name in there, and it filters only Paul's sales. Actually, there's a company with the word Paul in it, so I'm going to sort by Lanning, so I only get Paul Lanning sales. And there I have Paul Lanning sales. You can also sort just by region, put in the Northeast, and only get Northeast sales. Once you like a report, once again, it's very simple to go to Actions, Save, and type in your report name. Northeast Pivot Sales. And once again, you can keep it private or select public and have it viewed by all. You also have the option of going back to the primary report. Created filters on my primary report. I'm going to get rid of those filters, and downloading this report in Excel to save for later to either manipulate or send off in an email. I'll show you how easy that is. And once again, you'll have all the data and all the columns right here that you can use for later. And it does keep the formatting, so if you were to download a report that was sorted by customer or by pivot table and you hit download, it will save the formatting when you download in Excel. So you have it set up in a pivot table already. You also have the option of taking that report and sending it to your staff based on the frequency you choose, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. You put the email address in, put the subject, put a starting date and any date to send that report, and it will be sent automatically based on your parameters once you hit apply. You also have the ability under Actions to format. I'm going to go back to the primary report. You have the ability to format this data as a quick chart or graph. So if I just want to take a look at the orders sum by customer, I can hit apply and I'll get a chart of all the orders that have been placed. Or simply, I have a few set up here, I have a pie chart of the different styles that I sell. And you can view this data like a pie chart, or click up here and get the actual raw data that makes up that pie chart, and you can toggle back and forth between the two. Now I'm going to show you how to do grouping. Once again, you hit Actions, Format, Group By, and now we're going to group by salesman, customer, and get their total sales. So I'll pick the salesman, customer, the sum, extended amount. We're going to sum up the totals in dollars and hit apply. And now you will see that it's grouped by customers and their total sales. Now that's it for our sales data sheets. For more information, check out our website at www.metasystems.com or give us a call at 1-800-788-5253.